Hi everyone, I am Mohammed Al-Azmi. I want to give you a technical description of hydraulic fracturing, something you probably know as a fracking. While it may not seem political right away, many people support fracking and many people opposite. I want to make you more informed about the process of fracking today so that you can make up your own mind about how it fits into your political beliefs. I am not trying to say either way, but to want to give you the facts. First, let me tell you a brief definition of fracking. Fracking is forcing liquid into holes in the earth to open places for natural gas being extracted, usually very deep in the earth's surface. Fracking is different from drilling in that it uses liquid to open fractures in the earth horizontally instead of the vertical drilling done traditionally by oil drills. The first step in the process is to drill a hole into the earth until the oil and gas deposits are found. A drill can be turned sideways to get the horizontal drilling fracking is so popular for. After that, there is a mix of mostly water, sand, and chemicals that is sprayed at high pressure to crack open the rocks that contain the gas. It's like spraying water out of your garden hose to clean out the tailpipe on your truck after a drive in the mud. The water goes in clean, but picks up mud on its way back out. In this case, fracking liquid goes in and brings out natural gas. One thing to note here is that the chemical used in fracking are not always specified, and the amount of water used can exceed nearly 100 times what other extraction methods generally use. However, with a shortage on fossil fuels, fracking benefits people by giving access to those deposits and in a much more cost-effective way. Another thing to note is that when the water comes out of the hole, it's too toxic to be reused for anything else other than fracking. Often it's just stored as wastewater and cannot be treated. The ability to use this technology brings with it a lot of political turmoil, but it's really up to you to decide whether fracking is beneficial based on its risks and benefits. Thank you for listening.